Together, we designed Slide Enjoy, a simple, light and thin accessory that clips at the back of your screen. On a single USB, whether you have a Mac or a PC. You're working, playing, sending emails, Facebooking at the same time. That's a huge number of windows for a single screen, right? With its 180-degree rotation, Slide Enjoy provides you the perfect solution. Our accessory is available in 3 sizes, 13, 15 and 17 inch. Slide Enjoy is the world's first accessory that triples your laptop screen. It will completely change the way you use it and simplify your life. What would Slide Enjoy be worth with plenty of bulky cables? We designed it to ensure the connection with a single USB 3. Your laptop isn't of the last generation? Simply plug the second USB and oh, it works. No more power supply.
Our world has changed drastically over the past decade. With the advent of new technologies, we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Scan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Scan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Scan Wireless. Just glide Scan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Scan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Scan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are.
I wanted a good keyboard, and there weren't any out there. I figured, well, how hard could this be? And then we built the best keyboard we possibly could. It's not what you'd expect from a keyboard, but people love it. Creating a keyboard is kind of a weird thing. It's been an obsession. Hi, I'm Jesse Vincent. I'm co-founder and CTO of Keyboardio.
I'm Kaya Decker. I'm the CEO of Keyboardio. I'm also married to Jesse. Most people are typing 8+ hours a day on uncomfortable, flat plastic boxes that are pretty much the same as they were 100 years ago. You deserve something better.
And a musician's not like, well, I'll just take the plastic guitar off the shelf and it'll be fine when I'm staking my entire career and my, my professional everything on this. Like, they're really thinking about it.
I found a bunch of research about better keyboard layouts, how your hands work, and what actually matters in keyboard design. And every keyboard design in the last 20 years has flat out ignored it. So we built a good keyboard.
The Model 1 is different. It takes some getting used to, but it's worth it.
The Model 1 is that great sort of tool that supports the way you want to work and then gets out of the way and lets you do the kind of work that you couldn't have done without it.
And I love the way my fingertips kind of rest in the keys and how easy the keys are to reach.
We're trying to build a keyboard you'll enjoy using for years. We have this gorgeous maple wood enclosure. We've sculpted the keycaps to guide your fingers to the right keys. And yeah, it lights up. The LEDs that glow from under each key are actually totally customizable and programmable. Originally, the butterfly shape was an accident, but we love it. It feels warm. It feels friendly.
I bring the keyboard out in public and people look at it and say, "Can I touch it?" It's a keyboard. You're supposed to touch it. That's the whole point.
The way we think reflects the world we live in. Ideologies change with the times. In the past few decades, a thought evolution has happened. We've gone from expecting excessively more to embracing sustainably less. At Giant Technology, we're innovating the next evolutionary leap in personal computing that embodies less can be more. Less cost, more value. Less design, more functionality. Less wasteful, more sustainable. Less waiting, more doing. Less power, more performance. Less windows, more apps. Introducing the Remix Mini. The world's first true Android PC. Finally, less can be more.
Touchscreens are great when you're navigating phones and tablets, but when you're sitting at a keyboard doing computer work, there's still no decent way to access the full power of touch. So what we've done is develop the SwiftPoint GT with gesture technology, an innovative device that has both the power of a mouse and truly natural touch gestures.
The SwiftPoint GT is the first mouse in the world to give smooth panning and flicking without having to reach for the screen. It opens up touch to Windows 7, and fully touch-enabled systems like Windows 8 and 10 just come alive. You can use the GT on your desk like a traditional mouse, but unlike other mice, it's designed to operate on your laptop next to your touchpad. So whether you're on a plane or a train or in the living room, you can always use the GT and be 100% productive. The GT offers two modes of use. There is a point-and-click mode, just like a traditional mouse. Then there is the touch gesture mode. Tilt the GT over slightly to touch the stylus, and Windows 8 and 10 now see it as a finger moving on a touch screen. Windows 8 and 10 apps are all about tiles designed to be moved sideways with your finger. They're a nightmare to use with a scroll wheel. The GT supports native touch, so we can intuitively pan and flick smoothly left and right. The new web browser has great features too, but only for a touch screen. With the GT, you can flick back to a previous web page, read through the page with the scroll wheel, and then flick back to the top. With the new Start screen in Windows 10 Preview, you can use the power of a mouse and touch to easily open and switch between apps that now open in smaller windows. Windows 8 and 10 suddenly make sense and actually become pretty awesome. The latest versions of Word and Excel are also touch optimized, and with the GT you can flick and pan your way straight to the section you need. And in Excel you can instantly go over to the column you need to view or edit. No other mouse is this fast and intuitive for navigating documents. It takes you to a new level of productivity. We also support all the other touch features like zooming and application switching. It's 30 to 40% more efficient and more accurate than a touchpad. You can connect via Bluetooth 4 or the USB receiver, which also charges the mouse.